Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed. I am a researcher at IIT and I will be showing you how to install InfraFair model and how to use it. So InfraFair is a model for cost allocation of energy infrastructure. So it is used to allocate the cost of investment in infrastructure, either for national networks or for regional networks that involves interconnection among countries. The model is open source and it has been created using Python and it is available for everyone to download. And in this video, I will show you how you can correctly install it in your machine. So you can easily search about InfraFair in Google. You will find several links. All of them are linked together. You have the first one is the GitHub link, which has the public repository. And then you have the documentation. This is the website I was showing. And this is the official page in our web page. And then here you have the journal paper of the model. So you can start by the documentation website. Here you have all the information about the website, about the model, from introduction to installation, also the examples, and then the details about the model, the mathematical formulation, and then how you can contact us for support. So here you can directly click to access the GitHub repository, which was the first link we show on Google. And this is here. You have more programming information about the model, the functionality, the commands for installing it, and how you can contribute to the development of the model by creating pull requests and other functionality of the GitHub. So in order to install InfraFair, what you need to have in your machine is Python. So you can easily, again, type Python, and then you can click on the official Python website. And on the download, you can here find the download for different Python versions for the different operating system. You have Windows, you have Mac, and you can simply click here and you will have the download. So I already have Python installed in my machine, so I don't need to click it, but it is an easy installation. You just click here and then you see, because I already have it, so it asks me if I want to modify, repair, or uninstall. But usually you will find here install, and you just click it and it install automatically. So after that, once you install it in your computer, you need to check if it has been installed correctly. So you will open the command prompt, you will type Python -v capital to see if it has been installed. So if it has been correctly installed, as in this case, you will find the version of Python that has been installed in your machine. In order to run InfraFair, you would need any version of Python, but in order to follow up with our method of installation, which we will use pip install command, you need to have at least Python 3.8, because this is the lowest version that we have tested the model. Of course, if you have 3.7 or a lower version, you can still run the model, but you will need to download the source code from the repository here, and then to run it on yourself. So you need to make sure that all the dependencies are installed. So if you have a lower version, you go to InfraFair and you just download this file here. You click on it and you click download, and then you need to run it just like any other script. However, so if you want the easy way, not to bother with the dependencies and other libraries, so what you need to do after making sure that Python is installed in your machine, you can directly install it on the base environment, which is the default one that we have here. Or it is always recommended that you create a new dedicated environment to install the software so that you don't have any dependency issues. In order to create an environment, you just type Python dash v dash m, and then VNV, which is a shortcut for virtual environment, and then you give it a name. For instance, we call it InfraFair environment. However, before running this command, you need to make sure that you can locate your environment. Here I have it located in the user, but this is not what I want to, where I want to create the environment. I want to create it in a more accessible location. So I will change the directory. So CD, change the directory to C. So now I am in the C, and I just now create the environment. InfraFair.env. So it will take a couple of seconds, hopefully, to create the environment and all the required Python scripts. So once it is finished, if you go to the C, you will see a file called InfraFair env. So if you go here to the computer, to the C, you can already see this is the folder in which you have everything related to this environment. Let's see. Yes, it's now finished. So now I'm still in the base environment. I have just created the environment. In order to activate or to move from the base environment to this environment, you will simply type InfraFair -env, then /scripts, then activate. The system cannot find the bug. This is because I have not written the name correctly. So I have forgot this one here. There's another, I forgot the A, InfraFair. Okay, you can see now here, now this means that we are inside this environment. So the easiest way, as I said, to install the model is to use the pip command. So first of all, let's see which package come with by default in the environment. So you type pip install, pip list, and this shows you that there is just 2 packages within this environment because these are just the default packages. So now here we have a notice that we need to update the pip package, but that's fine. We can ignore it. So in order to install InfraFair, you just type pip install InfraFair. And then pip will automatically gather all the information, all the required packages to run InfraFair, and it will simply take care of all the dependencies and the consistency according to the definitions that we have put it in the Python package authority. So you don't need to worry about anything. So you can see here it is collecting the different packages. All of these packages are required. And then finally, it will install InfraFair. So you will just need to wait a couple of minutes, and then you'll have the model installed, and that's it. As I said, the alternative way is to do it manually. If you have Python version less than 3.8, you just download the source script, and you need to then install all the dependencies, which are matplot, pandas, numpy, and also open Python XL. So you need to take care of these 4 dependencies, and then the rest of the packages you see here, these are all packages that are required by these 4 packages. So let's wait for the model to be installed. So InfraFair is fairly simple model. It doesn't require any solver. It is based on algebraic equation that are entirely based on matrix manipulation. And if you have some programming experience, if you go to the code, you will see that it is simple, core-wise, and then there's a lot of functions for calculating the different results, which are just grouping the result and exporting them. So now we have successfully installed InfraFair, and this is the version that it will automatically, if you don't specify the version, it will automatically install the latest version, and this is the latest version that we have launched. So in order to make sure that InfraFair has been installed and to see where it has been installed in your machine, you just simply type pip show InfraFair. So this will give you the information about the package, the version, a summary about what is this package is used for, and then it will link to it will show you the link of the public repository, and then the author, myself, and then how you can also reach me for any inquiries about the package. And then here, as I said, the required package dependencies and everything. So this is now the first step. And then if I want to know that the model can be run, has been installed successfully and can be now run, I will simply run the script or the main script of the code. And I will, to do that, I will have to move the directory to the site of the model. So I will type cd and I will paste this direction, and I will then write \infraFair. So this is where the model is located. You can see now I have changed the directory, and I can simply run the model by typing python infraFair.py. Now the model starts running, and it will ask you for input. And now we know that the model has been installed correctly, and it can now be run. So thank you very much. In the next video, I will show you how to run it, what are the required inputs, and how you can check the output.